Sometimes a regular Tuesday can feel like the start of an adventure. The strangest things can happen when you least expect them.
Honestly, I couldn't agree more. Just this morning, I found myself caught in a sudden rainstorm on my way to work. It's wild how unpredictable life can be.
We're diving into why everyday moments can turn into memorable stories. Today, we'll share real-life dialogue between friends, give tips for authentic conversations, and explore how little surprises can change our day.
So stick around. We'll cover funny mishaps, ways to deepen your connections, and even how to handle awkward moments with ease. Ready for some real talk?
Speaking of unpredictable days, remember last week when I spilled coffee all over myself in front of everyone? I swear, I could feel my cheeks burning for hours.
That was classic. We both burst out laughing. And honestly, those moments make our friendship feel so real. Embarrassment fades, but the funny stories stick with us.
Absolutely. It's funny how sharing those slip-ups actually brings us closer. It's like the more ridiculous the situation, the easier it is to break the ice.
And I think it sets the tone for genuine conversations. No need to hide imperfections. We're all just figuring things out as we go.
That actually reminds me, sometimes awkwardness is the bridge to real connection. Like, when we first met, I barely knew what to say.
Yeah, I remember I rambled about my love for pineapple pizza, which I thought sounded weird. But you just shrugged and said, "That sounds awesome." It totally broke the ice.
It's funny, once someone shares a quirky detail, it feels easier to open up. Suddenly, the conversation's not just polite, it's interesting.
Exactly. And even when conversations stall, a small laugh or honest admission can turn things around. It's all about being comfortable with imperfection.
Let's get a bit practical. What's one thing that helps our chats stay genuine? For me, it's asking unexpected questions, like, what's the weirdest food you've tried?
I love that. Another is just listening without jumping in with advice. Sometimes letting a story unfold makes all the difference.
And I notice we often bring up random memories, which keeps things light and personal. It's like our conversations have a rhythm that's uniquely ours.
That's true. It's also about letting silence be okay. Sometimes the best moments happen when neither of us is rushing to fill the air.
Funny you say that, because not every chat goes smoothly. Remember when we disagreed about which movie was better?
Yeah, I still stand by my choice, but it was cool how we could laugh it off instead of getting defensive. Respect really keeps things from getting tense.
It helps that we both share our reasoning without attacking each other. Even when we're stubborn, backing up our opinions with stories makes it feel less like a debate.
And sometimes, just agreeing to disagree keeps the conversation moving. No friendship is perfect, but mutual respect goes a long way.
Looking back, 3 things stand out. Laughter makes awkward moments memorable. Authenticity deepens connections. And respect turns disagreements into opportunities.
If you want to strengthen a friendship, try sharing a funny story or admitting a small mistake. Those honest moments can create lasting bonds.
And for everyone listening, your action step is simple. Start a conversation today with a friend and let it be imperfect. You might be surprised where it leads.
Thanks for joining us. Keep the real-life dialogue going, and we'll catch you next time for more stories and practical tips.